Linking your bank account to ZeroNet can enhance your experience by allowing for easier transactions. Follow these steps to successfully connect your bank account. Step 1. Create a ZeroNet account. Visit the ZeroNet website and sign up for an account if you haven't already. Provide the necessary information and verify your email address to activate your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Log into your ZeroNet account and navigate to the account settings. This section typically contains options for managing your profile, security settings, and payment methods. Step 3. Select payment methods. In the account settings, look for the payment methods or bank account section. Click on this option to begin the process of linking your bank account. Step 4. Enter bank account information. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use iShark to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank account information, review it for accuracy. Once confirmed, save the changes. You may need to verify the connection through a small test transaction or confirmation email from ZeroNet. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to your ZeroNet account, allowing for seamless transactions. If you encounter any issues, refer to the support section on the ZeroNet website for assistance.